In your main panel operation, just a quick few notes on that. Your main lights will be here. You'll need to turn on your water pump. That will pressurize the water system. It is a little bit noisy, so I do apologize about that. It is a self-contained system. To get the awnings out, hit your select button, and awning 2, if you extend it, you just got to push it once and it should start. It'll automatically roll out, and then you can select awning 1 and extend, and this one you have to hold out and keep it pushed down until it's fully extended. Then that'll have your awnings out. Please make sure and check the weather, make sure that it is not storming or windy, so that does not get ripped away, which I have unfortunately lost one in the past. And then your awning lights are here. That's just the cap light on the very front. I usually keep them on all the time. But your awning lights are here. Porch light is basically just the speaker lights that are illuminated outside. And you check your water tanks here. Black water, fresh water, gray water. Make sure that they're not getting to full. If they are, please give me a call and we'll get that taken care of.